guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some ideas for Happy Mail. So kind of like what you should send if you guys are making a swap or having a swap where you guys want to give like 5 handmade and 5 like store-bought. These are some ideas that you can send as far as handmade embellishments. And yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys a little bit about like the Happy Mail process. I get tons of questions on my comments. How do I find pals? What should I make? How should I package? So I'm hoping this video will kind of help you guys on that. As far as making friends and making swap partners and having, you know, pen pals and stuff like that, I didn't really do anything special. I just jumped on Instagram and basically threw myself into this crafting community. I started to make friends and I joined Facebook groups. I looked up hashtags. I liked a bunch of pictures, and from liking pictures and making conversation, I made amazing friendships. So definitely you need to be involved in the community so that you can make friends, you know, and join some groups and stuff like that. And that's how you can start swapping and making amazing friends in this community. This community is filled with so many beautiful people, very generous and giving, and having pen pals is like one of the best things that's happened to me in my entire life, because it's just a different experience. It's one of the things that I absolutely love, you know. And yeah, so I posted a picture showing you guys that I made a bunch of embellishments, and I wanted to show you guys what I created, and maybe it can give you guys some ideas if you are involved in current swaps and are kind of stuck on how to package your goodies or don't know exactly what embellishments to make. I'm hoping this video can help you. So the first set of, I don't have like a certain amount of everything, but I'm gonna go through the little basket. I posted a few days ago, and I also posted a video of these tropical clips, and I wanted to show you guys how I packaged them. So I just took a piece of cardstock. This paper is from the unicorn paper pad from Michaels. I think it's Stay Magical. And I used the same packaging for all of them. And all I did was add a little dab of hot glue, because I was trying to figure out how to put them in, like making a slice on the paper, and that wasn't working out for me. So I just did like a little dab of hot glue, because you can easily take them off and just kind of like rip off the hot glue, and there's no damage done to the clip, the clothespin actually. So this is what they look like. I didn't do any toppers because I think I like the way they look just like that. The paper has its own little fancy touch. So that's how these look. So making some clothespins, some clips for your pen pal is one idea that you can do as far as a handmade goodie. That's what they look like. And you guys, I think they turned out super cute. I'm loving the way they look. That's the first set. And then these I did show, I think I have a few videos on some of these. I'm not sure, I don't remember. I have a video definitely on these. And these are some cute little page flag embellishments. You can make these, package them up with some lace trim, and they look super fancy and cute in your Happy Mail. These are some of the little toppers, the Doily Toppers. These are super easy and fun to make. I might do a video making some toppers because I don't have one. And this one just has a regular trim on the top, but look how decorative and cute it looks. You know, you throw in these little cellophane bags, which I get on eBay. I'll link them down below, and on Amazon as well. And these are 5x7, and you just cut a piece of cardstock to the size of the bag, put your little goodies inside, and they look like store-bought goodies. And I'm sure that your pen pals would appreciate the time you took to package them up so pretty. Because presentation, you guys, is everything. How you present your Happy Mail is more exciting to your pal than the actual items, because you take time to package them up and make them look so cute. These are some rosettes that I made. Also just some trim. And these skinnier packaging are from stickers that I have purchased at Michaels. I never throw my packaging away because I can always reuse it to package up my own stuff. And you guys should do the same. Repurpose your little packages and use them for your Happy Mail. The next set of embellishments are, I saw Tony Craft Purge make some, and of course she made them a few weeks ago, and I wanted to make some, and I think she was inspired by Miss Lee, and I wanted to make some, and I just never got around to doing it. So I did make some this weekend, well, on the 4th of July, and I think they turned out super cute using the Maggie Holmes Carousel collection. And then just used 2 doilies layered together and some of the Maggie Holmes flowers and that cute little glitter technique with the hot glue. And I absolutely love how they turned out. And I did purchase the the Stampin' Up! Little banner punch, and that's how I made these. But then again, you can also hand cut them and do them yourself. Easy to make little flags. You don't need the punch. But that's what these 2 look like. And these are super easy to make. I'll link down below Tony's video, so you guys can definitely go check it out and make some of these yourself. But they're super self-explanatory. You just put a few one of those little bunting flags right on top of your little twine, and boom, you got yourself a cute little banner to gift in some Happy Mail. Next up is some bows I made. I have a bow die that I used. This one has 2 of the same medium bows, and then I have to fix that. The little foam thing in the back that I used to stick them on is showing, but I will fix that. I used a little doily as the topper with some cute little Maggie Holmes flowers and a little glitter. And that's, I think, the Flourish collection, I think, from Maggie Holmes. These are the other ones. These are also great ideas to give. Everyone loves a good bow. Then we have, let me see, some super cute coffee cups. You guys, how cute are these? This is the Spellbinders die. I'm not sure of the name. I don't have it anywhere near me, but I'm sure you guys know what die this is. It's the Spellbinders die, the coffee one. So I used the Maggie Holmes Carousel. I used the trim from Hobby Lobby and just cut out some little 1-inch circles and then placed the little tassels from Michaels. So you kind of like hold it, like hang it. So cute. I love how they turned out. And then I just added some cute little butterflies that I had in my stash. Some have a bow. And that's what they look like. If you follow me on Instagram, you saw when I was creating these. Well, my daughter was cutting them for me. We had like a little crafty night. So that's those. Then, of course, we have the confetti that I showed you guys in my confetti video. You can send some confetti in a cute little bag, or in the other ways that I've packaged them that I showed you guys with the poppers. If you guys don't know or haven't seen my latest video, it's making this confetti, showing you guys how to make confetti and package it up. I'll also link that down below. So if you guys haven't seen it, you definitely should go check it out. And then we have some cupcake liner rosettes. I have a video on this as well. And these are some cupcake liners from American Crafts that already come scalloped. These are little chipboard pieces from Michaels, that same trim. See that, you guys? I hope you guys get tons of ideas to create little goodies to send to your pals, because these are super easy and super fun to make, and you can literally make them in no time. And then last but not least, you guys, these are some shakers that I made. I'm gonna pull these out of here and show you. I made some shakers using the, what is it? Imagine That, Echo Park Imagine That collection. And I just used the cut aparts and then just fused them and added some lace trim, some chipboard pieces, cute little dangly trim, some bows. This is the first one. We have this one. I love that sound. Super cute. Then we have these that I made. I made them all. Look at that. How fun is that? I love the little trim on both sides. It just makes it more whimsical. I love that mix. Turned out so cute. And we have these. And the pockets that I use are just some Heidi Swap Project Life little pockets. I cut them up. Got this cute little bow, some trim. Super cute. And then the last ones are these. And we have these little cute ones. These are super fun to make and gift to your pen pals. But yeah, you guys, those are all, well, some of the ideas that I have come up with to share in some Happy Mail that I'm working on. Another thing you guys can definitely do is I take crepe paper with me to work, and I make a bunch of rosettes so that I can have already stockpiled, and whenever I want to create something, I already have them ready. So you can have those made up, like just if you're watching TV or something, make a bunch. I created 10 of each color. That's what they look like. Aren't they pretty, you guys? Look at those colors. Those are my favorite colors. And then I also made some using that tool that I had hauled a few hauls back to add to a rosette if I wanted to, or any project. But yeah, you guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you guys are going to be recreating some of these. If you guys have some pen pals, are you in the middle of a swap? Or just say hi. And yeah, don't forget to thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that bell to be notified when I upload my next video. And I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.